Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Now this is actually not just applicable to Microsoft Edge, but basically to most of the softwares that you have here in your PC. Go ahead and type here Wise Cleaner, and then we're just going to download it from this particular software right here. Now yeah, there is a summer sale, so go ahead and grab that, everyone. I think that's going to be very useful for you guys. Now, we're going to go ahead and download this one, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down. And once you're down here, you should be able to see this one, completely uninstall Windows apps. Go ahead and click that. That's what we're looking for, free download, and there you go. I'm then going to go ahead and click this one to install the process or to install this program. I'm gonna go ahead and click finish. And yeah, from this point forward, go ahead and type Edge. Now click this one right here. And you have to click this one because we're gonna go ahead and do a force uninstall. Click this. Click yes, and it's basically going to install that or uninstall that for you. Normally, when you're going to head over to add or remove programs and you're going to search here Edge, you don't really have the option to uninstall it from here, even if you do CMD and check it from some of the options here. It's no longer possible unless you use this program. Now, these are some of the things that are needed to be removed. So I'm going to go ahead and click the remove button right here. Hit OK, and you can see that that is no longer there. I'm just gonna let that there or remain there. Gonna head over here. Edge is still here, but we're gonna close it, type it here. You can see that's no longer viewable here. Add or remove programs. Let's type Edge, and there you go. It's no longer here. And that, everybody, is the easiest way in order for us to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge.